Welcome to Drive Cars. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan, a machine that continues to define what it means to drive an exotic supercar. With its aggressive styling and aerodynamic updates, the 2025 model doesn't just turn heads, it steals attention completely. Up front, the Huracan gets sharper lines and redesigned LED lighting, giving it a more intense and focused look. The massive front splitter and angular air intakes improve both cooling and downforce. Move to the side, and you'll see its signature low stance, sculpted doors, and new lightweight alloy wheels that add to its menacing profile. The rear end is a showstopper with a new diffuser, dual exhausts placed high on the bumper, and that signature transparent engine cover showing off the powerful V10 beneath. Under the hood, the naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 roars to life with 631 horsepower in the Huracan Tecnica variant. It accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.1 seconds, with razor-sharp handling thanks to rear-wheel drive and dynamic steering. The throttle response is immediate, the gear shifts are lightning fast, and every corner becomes a thrill ride. Whether you're on the track or cruising through mountain roads, the Huracan delivers a visceral experience. Step inside and you'll find a cockpit designed for pure driving focus. The digital display is sharp and customizable, and the fighter jet-style switches add a touch of drama. While it's not overflowing with luxury, every button and surface is built around the driving experience, tight, low-slung, and completely immersive. That's all for today's quick look at the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Drive Cars for more supercar reviews coming your way.